we basically add this boolean on the top left if we're colliding or not. And we added this bounding box around the player, and that represents the player collision box. And so now look at how when we like close to a block, it says true. Like we have collision with everything right now, except there. Look at how it becomes true and false, true and false. And here as well, like we actually collide with everything, even if it's from above, we collide. Yeah, now it's true, now it's false, now it's true, now it's false. Like we are checking collision perfectly. This was collision detection. Now we need collision resolution. So what happens when we collide? When we collide, we need here, we're colliding on the bottom. So we need to get pushed above like this. We need to get pushed until colliding is false. We will be like this in the world and we'll be able to move around. And also we added air friction. Look at how the player now stops. We kept velocity and now velocity lowers back down. Because before, even without pressing anything, we were flying around still.